Hey guys, today I decided to play this game called Strike Force Cat A. I just love cats. Look, it's in the games. Oh no. No, I can't jump. Oh my god. I've seen this before. No. No. Can I jump off? Yeah. I wanna get down. Yes. This game is so nuts. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. God, it's laggy. Guys, will stop what? Chicken. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, just plus 1 heart. So I got 2 hearts now. Okay, got 1 out of 8. 1 page out of 8, I guess. Okay, hey, I wanna. Oh, that's why. I wanna play. I pretty much get this game now. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not gonna battle anybody else. Because I'm almost out. I'm almost done. I tripped and fell.
You're making videos, Papa's going to turn on the TV, so.
Okay. So, that was my dad. Hi. I have a broken leg, so I'm pretty sad. Root, guys. Root, if you think he shouldn't have a broken leg. Come on, yeah. That time only one kitty came down. Turned down for what? Turned down for what? Turned down for what? Oh, where did I actually get that? What? That was hilarious. Turned down for what? Down for what? Come on, I can kill you. Kill you with your own weapon. Yeah, turned down for what? Down for what? Down for what? Down for what? So I'm just gonna get these guys. Yeah, no. And we'll kill one. Turn down for what? Down for what? I wanna give that to the other kitty. Fun. Turn down for what? Down for what? So I'm just gonna save my life. No. I'm just trying to sing something random. I don't even want that thing.
You don't know what random means?
I do, I just don't want a career.
Yeah, random means just any old thing.
I know. It's not like I'm a 1-year-old. Like you are. You're a 1-year-old, Papa.
Are you sure?
Yeah. So turn down for what?
If I'm a 1-year-old and you're a 9-year-old, how'd that work?
Because I'm better than you.
You go what?
Because I'm better than you.
You must be awfully good.
Yep. So that's it for today, guys. Because I have 9%. So bye.